In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the reply option on Instagram. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. First, open up your Instagram and let's get in some conversation. For that, tap on that messenger icon right here and then select some conversation. And now, to reply any message, I need to tap and hold, make a long tap on some message. And here I got a bunch of different options. I can react on that post by selecting the random emoji, and here at the bottom I see reply, unsend and more options. In that case I need to use a reply, and now I can type here some message to make a reply to that post and then tap send. That's how it works. But if you don't see that reply option right here at the bottom, you need to go to your app store and check if your Instagram is up to date, because reply feature is quite new feature on Instagram, and you need to check if this button is open. If it calls update, just tap on that button and update your Instagram application to the latest version. I hope it helps you, so before you go, please like and subscribe.